Scaling up. Expand your English and your business. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, the hub for language enthusiasts and growth seekers. In today's episode, we'll explore a phrase that is widely used in business and personal development: scaling up. Whether you're a startup owner looking to expand or a language learner eager to understand the nuances of English expressions, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and scale the heights of language together. When we talk about scaling up, we're talking about growth, taking something to the next level. The phrase is often used in a business context to describe the process of increasing the size, scope, or capabilities of a business to meet a higher level of demand or to increase the operational capacity. But it's not just about getting bigger. It's about growing smartly and sustainably. To fully grasp the concept, let's break it down. Scale. In this context, scale refers to the size or extent of something. It comes from the idea of scale being a set of levels or a means of measurement. Up. Up is a direction, in this case, implying an upward movement or increase. Put them together, and you have an expression that suggests progress and upward growth. Let's put scaling up into action. 1. The startup has been so successful that the team is looking into scaling up operations to serve more customers. 2. Our online teaching platform is scaling up to include more languages and courses. 3. With the new investment, the company is planning on scaling up production to meet global demand. Notice how scaling up implies not just growth, but a strategic and calculated enhancement to reach greater heights. Scaling up is critical for businesses because it can mean the difference between a company that succeeds and one that stays stagnant. For learners of English, understanding such phrases is essential, not just for real-life conversations but also for reading and interpreting news and business-related materials. Thank you for watching our explainer on the phrase, scaling up. I hope this video helps you comprehend and use the phrase confidently in your own conversations and endeavors. Remember, learning a language is like scaling up your communication skills. It takes effort, strategy, and sometimes a bit of risk. Keep learning and keep growing, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, happy learning!